Pull it out. Oh man. Oh baby. Look at that. Hey guys. All right, so we're just gonna be cooking steak today. So not steak, but ribs. So all I'm gonna do is just gonna cut down the sinew. I'm gonna rush now, but I'm just gonna cut that down. So just basically back ribs or side ribs. All we're gonna do is I have water boiling. So I already put one in ready. We're gonna put the second one in. And all we're gonna do is just leave that boiling for about an hour, just over an hour. It's been about an hour and a half, probably a little bit more than that. I am just going to transfer the ribs all the way from here to there. Okay. Let's see how they turn out. All right, so while this is just chilling out here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the sauce. So it's gonna be a spicy Korean sauce. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna start with some garlic. I love a lot of garlic in mine, so it's so crucial in this recipe. So it's gonna be a spicy, sweet, like almost like a honey garlic sauce. So while we're cutting the garlic, I'd like to give a shout out to my roommate Clarence Chan. Clarence, this is a shout out to you, guys. If you guys like listening to instrumental music, this guy has a fire YouTube page, YouTube channel as well. Go check him out. This guy's posting like freaking 5 times a week. So he's on the grind. He's trying to hustle as well. So give him some love, support his channel. But I like to give him some love here. He kind of actually showed me this recipe. I'm not using it's actually a very, very simple recipe, but I kind of adapted it from kind of how he made his ribs, and that's what he's known for. So the whole process of boiling the ribs, I know it's nothing fancy, like we're not, baking it for like 3 hours, it's really, with a dry rub, but if you're in a pinch and you want to make something that's pretty damn delicious, try this out. Now, he uses a barbecue sauces to coat the ribs after. I'm making my own sauce, but this is adapted from how he makes his. So shout out to Clarence for this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop the ginger. What is that? Almost like just over a teaspoon. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the salt. We're just gonna generally salt. Oh shoot. Man, I freaking tore this already, holy. With the sauce, we're gonna start off with ketchup. So a good portion of ketchup. Let's do, honestly with this, I just taste and adjust accordingly. Okay, it's not coming out. I swear this happens every time that I actually record. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some gochujang. So that's a Korean hot pepper paste. This is gonna add the spice, nice spice. Let's add about a tablespoon to start. So I have some white vinegar over here. Oy. And we're gonna add about maybe 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Give it a nice tanginess. Okay, now from there, all we're gonna do is we're going to add the garlic and ginger. Oops. We'll just start mixing. Oh no, not this again. Okay, we're just gonna leave this here. For now, we're just gonna use the brown sugar. You can use white sugar. I just have brown sugar and I wanna use brown sugar today, but I normally just use, any type of sugar that I have available. We're gonna put about a tablespoon, and then we're gonna see how that, hopefully the honey comes down. We're gonna add about close to about a tablespoon of honey as well. Okay, so we've been mixing for a little bit now. Let's taste it. Nice heat. There's nice sweetness, that tanginess from the white vinegar. Let's add a little bit more ketchup. You evil. We're gonna add about, well, not that much, not that much. Just breaking that down. Good. So we got that nice sauce. We're just gonna lather it on top of the ribs. So we're just gonna be generous with the sauce. Because we didn't marinate this at all, it's gonna need a lot of this nice seasonings. We're going to flip it and then do the other side. The sauce is amazing. That's what's up. Oh my God, we need to eat something. So this, guys, obviously isn't, you know, if you think about macros and macronutrients, it's not the most healthiest meal. You have quite a fatty piece of meat with a lot of sugar, carbs on the sauce and whatnot. So I'd recommend eating this with some lettuce wraps, some little bit more healthy veggies to kind of balance things out, because this is definitely not on the, I wouldn't say it's on the healthier end, right? It is, you know, not gonna be as unhealthy as in restaurants, but you know, you are eating ribs, you know, with freaking some delicious sauce. So just be mindful of that, okay? Okay, so I just separated the two of them just because I want, I'm gonna cook them separately because I only want to cook the first one first. But we'll put it in the oven 425 for about a couple minutes just to warm things up, and then we'll broil it and get that nice kind of crisp on it. Okay, so I chopped up some green onion on the side, and then I just have a bunch of veggies that I'm gonna eat with it, on just kind of with the ribs, but the green onion I'm gonna put on it, the veggies I'm gonna eat on the side. So what we're gonna do now, it's been in the oven for a little bit. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna turn on the broil, and then we're actually gonna take it out, let the oven broil first, and then we're gonna put it back in for about a couple minutes. All right, guys, just frying up some veggies. We're gonna take it out. It's been in there for about 3 or 4 minutes in the broiler. We're gonna turn it off, pull it out. Oh man, oh baby, look at that. It's been cooling for a little bit now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the ribs here. We're gonna add a little bit of some green onion on it. Just, oh man, that was so bad. God damn, could that be any uglier? Oh well, hopefully this will save it. And then we're going to add some of these nice, beautiful sesame seeds. Oh baby. Okay, so there you guys have it. So we're gonna come over here. So here you guys go. You guys have the first bite. Have the first bite, guys. Super sweet, super savory, nice and spicy. The garlic comes through. Guys, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. And subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. All right, peace, guys.